Welcome to the OPT Industrial Camera Manufacturing Race. Step into the fully automated SMT workshop, where multiple precise production lines operate smoothly together, delivering up to 360 precision-welded PCB boards per hour. PCB boards that pass rigorous testing, along with other core components, are delivered to a dust-free workshop for assembly into fully functional industrial cameras. To guarantee a 100% yield rate, every OPT industrial camera undergoes over 60 rigorous tests. At the research and development stage, the cameras undergo resolution verification and color accuracy testing, adaptability assessments in challenging environments, including extreme temperatures, humidity, and vibration. In the finished product stage, the cameras undergo aging and smart performance tests to ensure each product meets OPT's high-quality standards. Before receiving the OPT label, a symbol of trust, after being labeled, the industrial cameras are transported by AGV robots to the Smart Storage Center, ready to be shipped to customers and inject new vitality into industrial production. OPT. Each industrial camera is expertly crafted with precision and attention to